Hi guys, this car is a bit special. It's not special, but it's special. It's a 2010 Holden VE Series 2 Commodore SS sedan. And unfortunately I don't have the key, so I can't start it up for you guys. But I'll do the best I can. So let's move on to the review. So it's got a Holden bonnet protector, as you can see. Protects your bonnet, but it does get leaves trapped underneath there though, which is annoying. It's got your Holden front end. It's got your front fog lights, as you can see. Halogen headlights. Is $25,990, so it's cheapish. What tyres does it have? Diamonds back tyres. It's got your 18-inch alloy wheels. This tyre has stacks of tread left inside it. It's the Series 2. Unlock it from the other side. SS carpet mats. It's got a decent sized glove box with your logbook. Don't know who the hell left that in there. It's pass of a key. Good look at the trim. Registration stickers. It still has its registration sticker, but they don't have registration stickers anymore. Let's quickly find out when this car was built. This car was built on the 13th of December 2010, so it's getting on in age now, this car. I'll show it from the other side. I'll also show the boot well on there too, guys. It's got your rear wing. 495 litres of boot space, as you can see. And a matching spare wheel under there. It's the SS. It's got your quad exhaust outlets, fitted with a tow ball. It's got a rear wing. And the other, so it's got your SS badging. It's got your, and again in this tyre, stacks of tread left in it. Two map pockets, rear air vents, bit of storage here. Flip down centre armrest. Black headline and interior trims, as you can see, much better than cream in the VFs. I'll wait for the car next to me to move. But here's a look at the dash, as you can see. Moving to the driver's seat. It's got your SS carpet mats on this side too. I'll show what's under the bonnet first. Try and get that bonnet release. Here is your 6-litre V8. It's not the most powerful engines out there, but it still does a pretty good job at creating 260 kilowatts of power and 517 newton meters of torque. Close that bonnet gently. Here's your seat trim, as you can see. It's done 158,333 kilometers. That's the odometer there. Build quality, what's it like? Pretty good. It's got your phone controls, audio and trip. It's got 6 airbags, this car. It's got navigation. And it's got your tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Your leather wrapped steering wheel. Here's your Holden IQ system. So it's got sat-nav, Bluetooth audio streaming, iPod, USB and stuff like that. But there is no Apple CarPlay and DAB radio, and Android also has it. It's got a CD player for those people who still like CDs. It's got your dual zone electronic climate control, your 6-speed automatic transmission, traction control, which you must always turn off in a performance car, even when this isn't really a performance car, but still it's a V8 and you should always turn traction control off in a V8. It's got your electric windows, electric mirrors, central locking. It's got USB in there and a 12-volt socket and AUX. 2 decent sized cup holders. It's got your marble black finish on the interior. It's got your alloy face pedals, as you can see. Automatic headlights, but no auto wipers. Cruise control. This wraps up today's video, and I'm sorry they couldn't give me the key. So, this is Jordan's Car Reviews, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and tap the notification bell. And please also like and share the video and drop a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.